Okay, I'll do. Hey guys, today we got a package and guess what it is inside? We're about to find out. Oopsies!
Wow.
So let's open it. Yeah. Let's put that aside. I need some help, so I'm gonna ask my mom to help me. So we got a drill on the top. Wow! I got this thing on the top. And there's a unicorn! I see. It says, you must move it front there. Open it. Ooh, that one's golden surprise. And we got the big golden surprise. Yay! Yeah, we got instructions, but I don't think we need it. And we got the unicorn bling. Okay. Here's a checklist, guys. So let's see what one is. Go! Wow. Here, there. Right. Let's open it up. Yay! Oh. Mommy?
What's inside?
Mommy? I got Fanta. Great.
Yay!
But it's called blue grape. Okay, let's open this. Oh God! Oh, it looks like a squirrel. What's that? Oh, it's Nibbles. Nibbles. Okay. Must open it and fill it up with water. With the unicorn blue. See? And then you must shake it, and then leave it for a little bit, and then you get your snack. Okay, I need to try to figure out. Oh, there. I think at the bottom here. I can open it. And there's another surprise inside this Fanta drink. Yay! There's so much surprise, guys. Wow. So we need to pour water in here. Feels yeah. Nibbles is gonna face the Odie. Are you ready? Yes. It's a cup for you to fill in the water. Let's check for more surprises. It's this. You're ready now. Ooh, what's this? Anything here? No. Okay, I think there's no more. We just need to get we just need to put water in here and put the unicorn glow thing inside. Yeah! Okay guys, let me open this. The unicorn bling. Okay. Just got this paper thing. Ooh, gold. Look. Guys, wait. This thing feels weird. Like, it feels like there's something behind it. Let's open it. Wow! Guys, I got some more surprises. Yes! And we didn't even know. We're like, what? Oh my word. Okay. Let's open these up. We got this. We got this one. We got unicorn magic. And we got unicorn food. Yes! Okay. Now let's open this thingy. Let's see what's inside.
Mommy?
Oh, it's a unicorn spoon and it's silver. Oh, it's so cute. I'm gonna put it there. Let's open this one, guys. Feels like cold again. Like the last one was cold, but not really. Oh, it's a bottle. Oh, it's a bottle of this thing. What is it? Oh, it's activator for the slime. What else is there? This too we're gonna put in our slime. So let's get the water. Yes! Okay, let's get started. So what you're gonna need is water, activator, and your unicorn food. So open the bottom of your Fanta or whatever flavor your thing is, but I got Fanta scooped grape. Then you put the unicorn food in. Guys, be careful opening the unicorn food because it's like powdery. Okay, there we go. I'm done with that. Now you're gonna put some water. Some activator in. I just put in 2 drops, guys, but I'm not sure how much drop you can put in, but you can put any amount. Just do not over activate it. Make sure it's tight and then give it a shape. Just shake it in case I need to put it. Right.
Mommy!
No, yeah.
God!
Not really sure. I'm gonna use my spoon and check. No, it's still big.
Yeah!
Okay. A whole bottle of activator, guys. You can't use half because it won't actually work. If you use like half, you must use all of it.
Wow!
It's kind of turning a little bit, but not too much.
6.5 hours later.
So I think it's ready now. I'm gonna take it out. There you go. Oh, if you're wondering where Josh is, he went inside to play. Now I'm gonna add the unicorn bling to it, which is right here. Guys, it's like gold foil. Wow. My slime is golden. Ooh. That's so pretty, guys. It looks so nice. Oh my god.
2,000 years later.
Now I'm gonna add the unicorn magic. 3, 2, 1. Wow. Guys, it looks like icing powder.
Wow.
It's snowing. Hello, Josh. Are you
Hello.
back?
Mommy, how's she do?
Let me mix it. Are you guys ready to mix it? Looks so bling away. The unicorn bling.
Wow.
Guys, it's turning like this nice color. I'm gonna show you guys. Guys, and don't worry about the cleaning part.
Wow.
Me. Wait, do this. 7. The table looks sparkly. Okay, guys. So what I like about the Poopsie slime is that you can store your slime inside here, and you can take it wherever you go. I like that it comes with the unicorn magic because the unicorn magic is like a metallic thing that makes your slime shiny and different. And I also like the unicorn bling. It makes your slime very shiny. Wow, there's gold pieces floating in the air. So that's what I like about this toy. Ew. Oopsie, I thought it was a poopsie. So that's why I think the slime is called Poopsies, because it can make fart noises. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Stay in the flow. Peace!